Well, this seems like a big deal, a massive scandal rocking Toyota. Its chairman has apologized for cheating on safety tests. In a shocking revelation, its chairman has issued a public apology today, Monday, June 3rd, for widespread cheating on certification tests involving 7 models. The automaker has now suspended production of 3 of those as a result of this scandal. Here are the details. The deceit of Japan's top automaker included the use of outdated or insufficient data in collision tests, false airbag inflation testing, and incorrect rear seat damage assessments in crashes. Engine power tests were also found to be falsified. Its headquarters in Toyota City, central Japan, has halted production of these 3: Corolla Fielder, Corolla Axio, and the Yaris Cross in Japan. The fraudulent tests also affected discontinued models. Despite the scandals, they claim that the safety of the vehicles currently on the roads, including the Corolla and Lexus luxury vehicles, remains uncompromised. That's what they say despite the scandal. Quote, "We sincerely apologize. This scandal prompted a Japanese government investigation into Toyota that started in January. In a surprise twist, Toyota's rival, Mazda, also reported similar certification irregularities, suspending production of the Roadster and Mazda 2 models. Mazda admitted to using incorrect engine control software in tests and violating crash test procedures on 3 discontinued models, though it maintains that vehicle safety is not compromised." Oh my God, Toyota-based Honda Motor Company joined the scandal, apologizing for improper tests on models including the Accord, Odyssey, and Fit. Honda confirmed that these models are no longer in production and asserted that the safety of the vehicles is not compromised. Apparently, this scandal is not an isolated incident. Certification issues began surfacing a couple of years ago. A Toyota executive responsible for customer satisfaction revealed that Toyota initiated an internal investigation following the certification issues at its group companies, and this unraveling is a severe embarrassment, obviously, to the automaker, which is known for, having production prowess and a corporate culture dedicated to even better cars, but they are deeply embarrassed, they say. The grandson of the company's founder suggested that some certification rules might be excessively stringent, differing across regions. However, he firmly condemned the violation, stating, quote, "We are not a perfect company, but if we see anything wrong, we will take a step back and keep trying to correct it," end quote. He admitted the company might have rushed through some of those tests due to the expanding variety of models, and despite the scandal, Toyota continues to sell over 10 million vehicles worldwide every single year. Wow, so this just came across the wire. I had to share it with you. Does this impact your impression of their reputation? The fact that they are admitting to this. Some companies might brush it under the rug until an investigation reveals it and embarrasses them even more. Remember the Volkswagen diesel scandal? Is there any pride, any value of them coming to the public now? I'm surprised, but I had to share it with you. Leave your comments below. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.